I'm Miss Paula. Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Raquel Rufo, 43 years old. I live in Santo Tomas, Batangas, Philippines. I am a single mother. I have 3 children. I have twins, ages 14 years old, and my eldest is 17 years old.
What is your education level?
I am a college graduate.
Okay, how many hours from leaving your place to Manila?
It took 2.5 hours.
Do you have friends or relative who is also working in Hong Kong?
Friends.
If you work in Hong Kong, who helps you taking care of your children in the Philippines?
My sister and my brother.
Your living place will always have typhoon?
Sometimes.
How long do you want to stay and work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me to stay, I will stay.
When did you start working as a housemaid? Where is the location?
I have experience here in the Philippines since 2021 up to 2023.
Can you share any experience in taking care of a newborn baby or children?
I have experience taking care of a children ages 2, 4, and 9 years old.
If you're cooking lunch for a child and the fire is still hitting the wok, but the child suddenly starts crying, what is the main concern in this situation?
First, I will turn off the fire and stop cooking for a while. Then I will go to the room and check the child what was the reason why she is crying.
If you discover that the child has a high fever and you try calling the employer but no answer, what is the next step to handle this situation?
First, I will get the thermometer. I will check the temperature of a child. Then if it is higher than 40 degrees, I will bring him to the nearest clinic. And if it is below 40 degrees, I will give him paracetamol.
If the children are crying outside, requesting candies, chips, or chocolate, but the employer is not allowed to provide it, how this be handled in an outdoor?
First, I will explain the child that eating chocolates and candy is not good to his health.
Taking care of a newborn involves round-the-clock attention. Waking up in the nighttime feeding is common part of the routine. Do you think is it okay?
Yes, Mom.
Burping an infant after milk feeding is essential to help them release the trapped air and feel comfortable. How to burp and comfortable to gentle the path or the step, could you share with us?
Okay, Mom. First, I will wash my hands and then get a clean towel and put it to my back. Then I will get the baby on the crib. Then I will put in my shoulder. Then lap his at the back slowly and make it burp. Then after finishing burp, about 5 to 15 minutes, I will slowly down the baby and put it on the crib.
Okay, do you have pet experience or are you scared with the animals?
No, Mom.
What are your main duties in your current or your previous job? Could you tell me?
My main duties, Mom, is to take care of the children and do the other household chores like washing the clothes and cleaning the house.
Are you comfortable cooking and meal preparation?
Yes, Mom.
What type of cuisine are you familiar with?
Filipino cuisine.
Okay, are you willing to learn Chinese cuisine also?
Yes, Mom.
How do you handle home cleaning step or organizing tasks?
First, I will clean the sala first. Then afterwards,
you do the other
work, the other household chores.
Okay, can you drive?
No, Mom.
Would you mind sharing a room with the children or a baby or an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work on weekends or holidays, just sometimes only?
Yes, ma'am.
If the rest day is not on Sunday, are you agreed on fixed holiday agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No.
Have you any prolonged illnesses, maintenance, or undergo surgery?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I am excited to work with you and be part of the family, and I will do my best to serve you. Good day and thank you.
Thank you. See you in Hong Kong. Bye.
Bye.